I'm starting my morning out with a nice walk around the neighborhood. That's me. See you in a minute. Okay, I know people lose a lot of stuff out of their car all the time, but how do you lose a floor mat out of your car? They're doing a lot of construction in this neighborhood, and I'm not real happy about it. It's just gonna be more traffic. Yep, can you guess what today is? That's right, it's a garbage day. I don't know what this bush is, but it's pretty. This is on my route, and I just think it's so adorable. I think it's just a little outshed, but it's so cute. Okay, so I made it back home. I'm on my back porch, but I was going to show you what I planted this morning. It's some of this variegated ivy, I guess you'd call it. But anyway, I've got so much of it, and it grows and grows and grows, and I keep repotting it and repotting it. And so this one's on the back porch. I don't know what I'll do when winter comes. I'll have to find somewhere to put it. Okay. I potted this one too this morning. Actually, that's two plants. I had two plants that were sort of scraggly looking, and I just combined them together and put them in this big vase. I got this at the Goodwill. I don't think I gave it about maybe $5 for it, but anyway, it makes a pretty good vase. Like I said, this stuff just grows and grows and grows. You just put it in water and you cut it off when it starts getting long, put it in some water, and it just makes roots, and throw it in some dirt, and it just keeps growing. It's a real hardy plant. It loves the back porch, it loves the light and stuff, and of course when I bring them in the wintertime, they slow down growing, but you know, I pop them back out here in the summer, and they do great. Now these are my little hens and chickens. These are was handed down to me by my grandmother. She gave me some, and I had put them in the ground, and I gave my daughter some, and they do good. They're pretty hardy too. I got some out there next to the mailbox. They're getting to be a little everywhere, but anyway, those are pretty hardy little rascals. They don't take much water at all. I got this little terracotta watering little can, vase, I guess is what you call it. Anyway, I also had some more to put in this one, and I repotted it again this morning. Got this vase like at a little thrift store. I think I gave like $3 for it. But as you can tell where I've watered it, that terracotta wants to suck up the water. So I think you have to water terracotta pots more than you do others, I think. I'm not sure about that. Let me know. Here's a bigger one that I repotted. They start growing like little shoots out the side, like little babies and stuff, and so you can pull those off and repot them, but this is one of the bigger ones that I have. If I don't quit planting this stuff, it's going to take over my house. But you know, they do say plants put off oxygen in your house. This is what I'm talking about when it starts getting too long. Then you just whack it off at the bottom, and then you can put it in water, and it'll start growing again.